This is my finished product. I love it. Okay. Hello everyone. I'm going to make some sweater, raglan sweater, and I use this red heart stopper silver. Okay. Slip knot. Chains 80. But I'm going to change only a small one. 80. This is a top down. Okay. Join. By the way, I'm using 5mm hook. And double crochet all around it. Okay, and this is should be alternate, like increase the first one and then no increase the second row, and then the third row you have to increase until you have 12 row round. Okay, there. Here's the front post and back post. Alright, now yarn over, insert in the same stitch, twist, pull through 2, another one, yarn over, insert the hook, twist, pull through 2, and then the next one is a single, 2 single, then we have to increase. Okay, all right, do this. This row is increased, next row there's regular, nothing increase until 12 row. Okay, all right, now I'm over here. See, I finished my sleeve, just only 18 inches from here, and the other side, and now I'm trying to continue this. All right, so it's too thick. Next time I'm gonna use the cotton. I didn't know that this is gonna work, the pattern that I made, and it was working. See, this is the back and this is the front, and next time I'll, because it's too thick and that's good for winter for me, right? I will continue and finish all this. Then that's it. Okay, here we are. Almost finished. And I'm just finishing this front pose and back pose, so it matches in a neckline and my arms. This is only a 3/4. Wow, this is thick, so it's warm me up because this island is always cold and I'm always cold. So this is good for me. I double crochet first, then I did the front pose. There we go. It's my little scissor. Okay, here's my finished product. There. Hope you're gonna like it. Thank you for watching.